Can we buy back Tesla right now? Last time our video update, we are selling at around 440. And so far we have been down and I didn't give you any buy signal. So can we actually buy right now? Today I will give you the insight from the chart and also some update for another of my favorite stock. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Tesla has been our favorite stock. If you follow my channel, basically you're buying around here, here, and here. And then we make our profit here. I give you a video about we should sell here, right? So far if we look at this blue line is YM Club Long to tell you the trend. So you can see this is going downward. So do we buy any stock right now? No. Okay. And one more thing, if you want to catch the rebounds, you can also check the YM Club Fast. This is a fast track. Okay, what does it mean fast track? This is a trend line for normal regular time. But when we go down, the blue going down and the red coming up, they will have a rebound. They will have a rebound. Is it strong enough? Depends on the fund. The rebounds can change to the long term, like a trend reversal. They will go upward. Once they go above the blue and the blue change direction, then yes. So far, we don't have any signal yet. Do we have any buy signal? And how about the fund movement? We look at two things. YM Big Buy is still go under zero. This indicator is exclusive and then to tell you, hey, the big volume trade is still weak. This is under zero, is weak. Second, this is red candle. Red candle mean selling more than the buying. Okay, basically they filter the volume. Okay, so this is for the big volume. Another one is the YM cheapest. This filter the institution holding. Basically, since we saw it here, you can see this purple line is going downward. The purple line actually means the moving average of the red candle. So far, we're still going downward. I didn't give you any buy signal here. Even here, the rebounds, because I told you this is just a rebound because we are under the blue and then the blue is getting flat. So even this is still a rebound. So far, do we have buy signal? Not yet. But something interesting is the YM chip entry. YM chip entry tell you the institution buying on which day. So basically, for example, here, they have four green candle. Okay, once the four green candle disappear, and we have few strategy. And one thing, okay, let me screen it out to be easier. Okay, so if you use my indicator, you just combine YM Club Long and YM chip entry. This one doesn't happen very often. This one, no. They only happen when the institution buy. When do they actually buy? When it is super cheap. When the price is cheap, they buy. But remember, I mentioned this one they buy, it doesn't mean this is necessary the lowest point. Okay, because sometimes institution they have a lot of money. It's not just one institution, they have a mix of institution. So you can see here, they have the green candle. So you see, they keep continue going down. Why? Because they want to buy more. Even they disappear, the blue is still go downward. So it's not yet changing the trend. You see? So they keep buying here, they keep buying here, and then they go above and they change the direction. Okay? So we need to have some strategy with the YM chip entry. So the for example here, once they go above and we have this YM chip entry happening, this we have a very good chance they will go above. They will have a good chance to go above. But the first thing is we need to change the direction of the trend. Otherwise, they will happen just like this. They keep falling. Yes, why they did not go up right away? Even they have a lot of green. Why? The first thing is the institution may not have enough stock here. So they want to shake more people out. So basically they will do something like this, the big drop like this, 7%, the big drop like this to shake people out. Okay? And then what happened is they did not buy back immediately. For example, they buy back here. They buy back here. Okay? So with the normal candle, it's very difficult for you to signal they are buying. So you need to have my indicator called YM chip entry. If you want to have this indicator, you can put the subscription. you can look at this. So right now, this 3 day, basically we have institution come in here. Should we buy right away right now? The answer is not, not yet. Okay, so the strategy with YM chip entry is we need to go better to go above the highest point, the highest green candle. Okay, the close above the highest green candle is the first entry point. The safer entry point is the first candle. The first candle usually is higher, the price, okay, because it's the first candle, right? They will continue to buy, buy, buy. And we buy, this one is the most ambitious buying here, the highest one. So once the candle go above, it's very highly, they will have raise. You can do the strategy, for example, when they go, the best is like this. The first candle is the highest green candle. So you buy when they go above this, when they close above, and look at this. At the same time, they go above the blue. So you just buy here. Although that day they go up by 21%. Who cares? Look, after that, they go even higher, higher, higher. Okay? So far, do we have any buy signal yet? Not yet. But this 3 day, we do have institution come in. So we need to see if they fetch another higher green candle and they need to go above this, the highest green candle, the candle here. Okay? And the second thing is the better is they go above the blue line. They go above the blue line. So far, not yet. So if we look at the YM Club Fast, we don't have any buy signal yet. If you look at these two indicators, the minimum is this one have to go above the red line. Okay, so far nothing happened. Now down by 0.27%. Okay, so this is the update for Tesla. Another of my favorite stock recently is getting a bit some interesting signal. So if you have my indicator, you can see, let me hide this for you to see. It's very clear. It's very clear when they flash the green candle, right? When they flash the green candle, this is the highest candle. And then once they go above like this here, okay? Or they go above this candle, the first green, which is here, okay? And then once they go above, at the same time, they go above the blue line. And here, look at here. When they go above here, which is on the same time, they go, so look at here, the highest green candle is here, which is this candle. And then they go above this, which is this candle. So at the same time, they go above the blue candle, the blue line. Okay, so this is the buy signal. Another thing is like, oh, the blue is still going downward. Okay, so when they come back, when they're doing the trend reversal, they give you another chance to buy here. Here, okay? If you follow this, basically, so if you follow, you have two buy point here. First, the highest green candle, you see? This is the buy point. The second buy point is basically, is the first green candle, which is here. You can see what's going on. They have a big candle to go above this. And now it's up again here. Okay, so far is 78.14, up by 4.7%. Okay, so the blue is going upward. If you want to look at the YM chip entry, it's also very positive. Look at this. Can you buy right now? Some people ask. The YM Club Fast, basically you need to use the red line as a buy point and also a cut gain price. Cut gain price, okay? Okay, the cut gain price, once they go below, you can sell your profit. Or if you buy previously around here, you use the blue line because you are using the blue line for the buy points. You use the blue line to sell, okay? If you buy right now, it's a bit far from the red, okay? Can you go higher? Yes. You just start basically, but if anything happen, you could come back down to touch again this 2 point, okay? This point, especially this one, 71.93. It's very possible to come back down, but no one guarantee, of course, no one guarantee. If they come back down, then you use it as a support and then to buy in. Okay, if you have my indicator, would be easier. Just look at two strategy, the blue line plus the YM chip entry, which is quite special. It happened only at the low price, at the very good valuation price. Okay, undervalue basically the institution buying here. If you use the normal strategy, you hide this one. You just use YM cheapest, YM big buy. So if you have my indicator, you know my strategy. First, look at the trend. When the trend go upward. Second is looking at the fund, YM big buy and YM cheapest. YM big buy need to go above zero and you fresh the green candle. YM cheapest is the red bar go above the purple line, and the purple line better to be going upward. It's one of the buy point. For example, you can see here is one of the buy point. Basically here on first day, is one of the buy point, or even here is the buy point. Here, here, because they're touching the blue line. It's not really good because it's under zero. It's under the red line. So another buy point is here. Okay, here and here. This one is the YM chip entry strategy to buy here. Okay, this one is always buying at the lower point, lower, and they just start to raise. YM chip entry is very powerful. This one always show you where, because you need to follow the big shark action. Okay, you don't follow the public. So look, so the big shark is buying here. Do we buy on the first day? No, we buy when they finish the action because they will continue to go down. Okay, you add your position once they go above this candle over this candle. Okay, this candle you can add more because the blue is already going upward. Is it clear? Okay, so this is the update for Uber. And another update I want to update you is the Bitcoin. Last video I say Bitcoin is above the blue, but so far we are now under the blue line again. So it's getting weak. And you see the institution is getting weak also. We need the YM big buy, the big volume, to go above zero, and also the YM cheapest to go above this purple line first. So far we don't have any ad signal, but we do have one for YM club fast. But do we buy when they go above the YM club fast? Not really, because the fund is not strong. The fund is not strong. Okay, so we want to buy. For example, here they have institution come in, which is here, which is around 900 900 sorry, 97K to around 89K. In this range we have buying in this range. Okay, so far we don't have institution, and then they go up again. And so far the institution holdings reducing a little bit, but it's not really ridiculously low. We still have a lot of red chips here mean institution holding. Okay, so this is the update today. If you want me to update any stock, you can put it in the comment. I only prefer the big stock because I don't want to recommend any unknown small stock, just in case I don't like the small stock. I prefer the big stock just to be safe. Okay, so I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends. See you. Bye.